Ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen's my name, the ice cream bloke, self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School. I knew you'd come over to me. Look, we got a question today. We always get questions about soft serve. I honestly think soft serve is becoming a bit of a resurgence in the market, which is excellent. Before we jump into it, I do want to thank our episode sponsor, which is Green Mountain Flavors. Stan, you want to talk to Stan. He is a food scientist. He's a flavor wizard. Basically, they do flavors and colors, all natural, some organic. Talk to Stan. The link is down below. Just have a look at all of the flavors they've got. They come in extract form, shelf stable, easy to use, fantastic. Green Mountain Flavors. Thank you, Stan and the crew up there for sponsoring this video. Okay, so we get a question a lot of the time about pinting soft serve and can I pint soft serve? And the question is yes, with some, I guess, parameters. The beauty of a soft serve machine here is that whether you've got a pump machine or a gravity machine, there's a wide range of butter fats that you can actually put in this machine. You can go from a 0 to 2% butterfat frozen yogurt. You can go all the way up generally to about a 10% fat product, whether that be a 10% ice cream, a 10% frozen custard product. And basically the answer to the question is, sure, you can fill a pint up with any of those products. The challenge is that the lower butterfat products are not going to have the shelf life as the higher butterfat products. The FDA has basically mandated as a standard of identity that ice cream needs to be at least 10% fat for you to call it ice cream. And so the beauty is you can run an ice cream product in your soft serve machine if it's 10% fat. The beauty of having a higher fat, richer soft serve is you've got more fat, you've got more milk solids non-fat or the bulking agent, and you've typically got a little bit more of a higher quality stabilizer and emulsifier, again, all natural products, that basically can bind and hold your soft serve ice cream product for a longer period of time. So again, if you were packaging and pinting up the lower fat products, maybe a 4% soft serve or a frozen yogurt, you can do it. I'd want to move it pretty quickly. It's not going to have an elongated shelf life either in the store or in your customer's freezer. But if you're up around at that 8 or 10% butterfat mark, you've got a lot more binding agent. The butterfat's going to help emulsify that product, and you're going to have a little bit more longevity in the case. So yes, you can. But my suggestion would be you would only do that unless you're in the higher end of the butterfat range, 8 or 10%. Look, I'm interested in your comments. Do you pint your soft serve product out? How long does it typically last for? Do you have an opportunity to sell perhaps even some wholesale product through your soft serve machine? Drop us a line down below. While you're down below, you can hit like, you can hit subscribe, leave a comment or a question. We love helping our viewers with ice cream related questions. And you can also give some, I ran out of lubrication in my voice. And you can also give some love to Stan and the crew at Green Mountain Flavors. We love them all. Thank you for your episode sponsorship and thank you for joining us. Look, I think that's all about we have. Keep on scooping. See you in the next video.